So it's 6:45 a.m. Just put my boots on, getting ready to go to work, and there it is. I look at that every morning. So it's just a random Tuesday today, actually November 1st, 2022, and I am on my way to Zion, Illinois, take care of a dock plate, and there we go. Take you on a little bit of a trip. So there's a dock plate that I installed not too long ago. It's stuck down. We're gonna see why it's stuck down. My guess is that we're hanging up on the pit wall right there in the concrete. So that's what it was here. And we just had to cut this brush back on the side, hanging up on the pit wall. Super easy call for today to begin my day with. See, just had to cut that brush back because it was hanging up on the wall here. Easy. All right, well, I'm driving back down south to another job here. And I was just thinking about if I wanted to sell some cash secured puts on Realty Income, which has been up, or dude, Amazon is down another $4 right now, so I may do a $95 cash secured put, and if it hits, then I will sell a tight covered call and try to get out of that to get the money back to do a cash secured put on Realty Income. Those are my thoughts. This is what I'm doing. I'm driving and I'm thinking about how I can make money, listening to my podcasts and books on tape to further expand my knowledge and learn while I'm doing the driving. Check it out, another call. Dude, this one is gonna be so simple. All that we got here is this little spring popped off. I'm gonna tighten that up and we're gonna call this one fixed, man. They're not as easy all as this one, but when we get them, we love it. And on this one, ain't got no ring. Chain fell through the hole. Dude, look at this. Easy money. All you do, it's a little dirty under here, but you just pull the chain right through the hole, put a new ring on it. Gonna get this cleaned out, serviced, and gonna be 2 new docks up and running from. Easy money, baby, easy money. We got our pit all nice and cleaned out. Before we go and throw that ring on though, we got some broken welds here. So we are going to have to do a little bit of welding. I mean, check it out. I get paid to play with fire while I'm working on fire. And our welds now from the shim packs, paint's drying, but everything's welded, all's welded, ends well, and I'm making my fire with fire, baby. All right, we got the new ring on. There it goes, check it out. Easy money. I got some of the luck of the draw here today, waiting in the test lane here, because my safety sticker expires every 6 months. So I'm getting paid to wait, and I get to continue reading some of my financial analysis book. And I'm learning so I could be a better analyst and share some better information with all y'all. All right, check it out, yo. So the sticker's good till next November. We passed. And today was a really easy day. Really cool. And I got a little flavor, but I'm headed home and I'm going to show you the quote that changed my life and just put everything in perspective and made everything click. We made it back home. Another day in the books, and baby, we earned more money to buy dividend stocks with. And why are we buying dividend stocks and diligently investing? Well, this right here is what I see every day for years and years. It is Warren Buffett. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. We don't want to work until we die. So that's the quote. This thing changed my life. I look at it every morning and every night that I come in and out of my house. It keeps me motivated because you don't do this, you will work until you die or until somebody takes care of you. And we don't want to ask people to take care of us. And I would love to know if you would be so kind as to share in the comments below, what is a quote that made your life better? Is there a quote that had as big of an impact on your life as it did for mine? I really do want to hear that. And I didn't pick a video out, but I did by the time you're watching this. So click this little box next to my head to check that video out. And if you do that, I will see you there.